Now, how do we solve for u and f here? So we have u plus f equals to 7 and u times f equals to 2. So let's name this one equation 1 and this one equation 2. So what we will do here is to make one of the variable from equation 1 the subject, then do substitution. We then substitute it in the next equation. So we have u equals to 7 minus f. So that will be the third equation. So from this one is from equation 1. Okay. So let's put 3 in 2. So we have u, that will be 7 minus f times f equals 2. So we have 7f minus f squared minus 2 equals to 0. So we have f squared minus 7f plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, so let's complete the square of this one. So we have f squared minus 7f equals to minus 2. So let's take half, okay? Half of coefficient of f all squared. That will be minus 7 on 2. So we have f squared minus 7f plus. So the result will be minus 7 on 2 all squared. So minus 7 on 2 all squared. We add it to both sides of the equation. Okay. So from here, f minus 7 on 2 all squared is the same as this. So we have minus 2 plus 49 over 4, which is the same as 49 on 4 minus 2. So f minus 7 on 2 all squared. Now let's look at the right hand side. So the LCM over there is 4. So 4 into 4 is 1, 49. So 2 into, so no, sorry, this side is 1. So 4 into 4 is 1, 2 into 4. 1 into 4 is 4, 4, 10, 8. So f minus 7 so this side will be 41 on 4. Okay, so let's remove the square root by taking square root to both sides. That will be f minus 7 on 2 plus or minus. So this side will be square root of 41 on 2, 7 on 2 plus or minus square root of 41 on 2, which is the same as 7 plus or minus on 2. That is f. So let's look at the other part, u. Okay, so u is 7 minus f. U is 7 minus f, but f is 7 plus or minus on 2 is this. Okay, f is that. So let's do subtraction. So the first answer for f So 7 minus. So we have 7 plus on 2. Okay. So that would be u 7. So you can decide the one. So 7 minus. So let's find the LCM here. 2. 1 into 2. 7, 14. So we have 7 plus 41. That will be 14 minus 7 minus, that will be 7 minus 41 on 2. It means when u is 7 minus 41 on 2, f will be 7 plus 41 on 2 and vice versa. So you can prove the other one, you get the same thing. All right. So we can conclude by saying minus plus, and we have plus minus. So plus minus minus plus. Okay.